Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about real estate investing. We're going to talk about the different types of loans that this particular company has. They have loans that go up to $3 million. They have bridge loans as well as rental loans. If you don't know what a bridge loan is, it is a loan for flipping houses. So in this video, you're going to get a lot of information about this company. This company is called Kiavi. Also, there will be a link in the description for one-on-one consultations. I have been getting a lot of comments and a lot of people DMing me on Instagram and things like that about one-on-one consultations. So I have opened up some spaces available for one-on-one consultations. They will be 30-minute sessions. You can ask questions about business credit, business loans, what types of financing that you can get for your business. What are the different qualifications? What are the different documents that you need to have, as well as questions about business grants as well. So there will be a link for that again in the description. Go ahead and book your consultation as quickly as possible because they will fill up. Also, if you want to see more videos like this about business funding as well as business grants, business credits, and personal credit, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this particular company, like I said, they have two different types of loans for real estate investors. So we're going to go over the different options. So the bridge loan is the fix and flip loan. So their flexible short-term financing for purchasing and rehab of investment properties features competitive rates as low as 6.5%. They have a variety of terms and options. So if you flip houses and you're looking to get funding, or if you're looking to start a real estate company where you are flipping houses, this is an opportunity to get some funding. So they do provide loans on single family homes, 2 to 4 unit properties, condos, and PUDs. Now for these type of loans, they do provide loans for as little as $50,000, and then they go all the way up to $3 million. The terms are 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. And the terms are interest only options. So up to 90% of the purchase price is what they'll provide in the loan, and then also up to 75% of after repair value. Also 100% of the rehab cost. Now, as far as the fees and the terms, again, they start off at 6.5%. There is no application fee, no appraisal fee. The closing fees are as low as $999. You can close in as little as 10 days. You get online access to your loan as well as a dedicated experienced manager. Also, this company is a reputable company. They do provide loans in 27 states plus the District of Columbia, and then also they have funded over 35,000 projects and almost $8 billion in loans. So again, if you want to apply for one of these real estate loans, there will be a link in the description. You can apply by clicking on this green Get Started Today button. Also, I'm going to quickly go over the rental property loan. So this is for long-term financing for rental properties. The rates for these start off at 3.875%. They do offer 30-year fixed rates as well as interest-only options. And then they also will go ahead and do loans on single-family homes, PUDs, and 2 to 4 unit rentals. Also, when you apply for this particular loan, there will not be any hard credit check. They will pull your personal credit, but it will be a soft pull. You can also apply as an individual or as a company. They have no prepayment penalty fees, and also you can cash out up to $500K after 4 months. Also, I'm going to really quickly go over some of the application process. So this is the beginning of the application. What you're going to do is you're going to select what type of loan you're looking for. You're going to select how many investment properties that you have purchased or refinanced in the last 2 years. Now you're going to select where your property is located. You are now going to enter in your email address. You are then going to add your phone number. Then you're going to put in your name, of course, and then you're going to create a password. Now what you're going to do is estimate your rental rate. So you're going to put in the type of property that you're going to purchase, also your estimated FICO score, the loan amount, also if you're refinancing, and then estimated home value, remaining mortgage, and then whether or not your property has been owned for 4 months or less, or 4 months or more. And then you're going to put in your monthly rental income, and then estimated annual property insurance, estimated annual property taxes, and monthly HOA fee. Okay, so now you're going to see estimates down here, and then you're going to choose which one that you would like. And then you're going to confirm the following statements. So basically you need to be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. You also cannot be living in the property. You cannot have any bankruptcies or foreclosures within the last 2 years. You also cannot have more than one 30-day late payment on your mortgage within the last year. And also you cannot be convicted of a felony within the past 7 years. And then you're going to put in the address to the property that you want to finance. So once you have done that, then you're going to be able to review your loan details, and then you can submit your application for review. So it kind of gives you an estimate of the fees that you're going to have to pay at closing. Also, you will need to download the pre-qualification letter as well as the loan summary, and then click on submit for review. So that's the basics of the application process. This is just like a pre-qualification. After you are pre-approved, they will ask you for additional documents. They're going to tell you which documents that you need. If you need assistance, you can call this number right here. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos about business credit, business loans, and personal credit. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, also, again, if you need to book a consultation, the link will be down in the description. It's going to bring you directly to this booking calendar where you can book a 30-minute consultation. All you'll do is select which time that you would like to do the consultation. Make sure that it is on your correct time zone. You'll click right here to select your time zone, and then select your date and time. Then you're going to scroll down, click on next, and then you're going to enter in your billing details. Make sure if you are requesting information about getting a loan or getting a business credit card or something like that, make sure that you select what your credit score range is so I can know how to assist you before you get on the call. This is very important. If you're just requesting information about grants and stuff like that, you won't need to select this. But if you are requesting information about loans or credit, please select one of these options and then make sure that you fill out this box right here. This is very important so I know what to provide you before the consultation. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.